Good afternoon, everyone. It's a Sunday afternoon, and as usual, I'm enjoying the hot sauna and now the cold bath. The temperature in the water is about 4 degrees Celsius, and it's like refrigerator cold. I mean, in the very beginning, it's really cold and freezing, but right now, I feel nothing. And this moment, the time stops for now. And I hear the sound of birds singing and the music in distance. And I hear the silence. My brain and my head is clear. And now I feel the warmth around my body. And I'm so conscious of the present. Now I feel a little bit shivering in my body. So I think I will stop here and now. But then I would like to share this moment of quietness and the moment of consciousness. It's kind of a meditation, but I feel so peaceful and my thought is so clear. Or I think nothing. With that, I wish you a peaceful and quiet Sunday evening. Bye for now.